Feminine energy is such an empowering topic to explore. You could discuss the qualities of feminine energy, how to embrace it, and its impact on personal growth. Don't forget to share personal stories and tips to make it relatable and engaging. Sure, here's a video on feminine energy titled Embracing Your Feminine Energy, Unlocking Inner Strength and Authenticity. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving up into the empowering world of feminine energy. Whether you identify as a woman or not, we all possess feminine energy within us that deserves to be celebrated and embraced. So let's explore what feminine energy is all about and how it can positively impact our life. Feminine energy is often associated with qualities like intuition, nurturing, compassion, and creativity. It's about embracing our softer side, connecting with our emotions, and allowing ourselves to be vulnerable. It's important to note that feminine energy is not exclusive to women. It's a beautiful balance that exists within all of us. Self-care and self-love. Taking the time to care for ourselves physically, emotionally, and mentally is crucial in embracing our feminine energy. This can include activities like meditation, journaling, practicing gratitude, or indulging in a relaxing bubble bath. Remember, self-love is not selfish, it's necessary. Honoring intuition. Feminine energy is deeply connected to our intuition. Trusting our gut instincts and listening to our inner voice can lead us to make better decisions and live a more authentic life. Take the time to quiet your mind, tune in, and trust the guidance that comes from within. Embracing vulnerability. Society often tells us that vulnerability is a weakness, but in reality, it's a strength. Embracing vulnerability allows us to connect with others on a deeper level, fostering meaningful relationships and creating a safe space for emotional expressions. It takes courage to be vulnerable, but the rewards are measurable. Cultivating creativity. Creativity is a powerful expression of feminine energy, whether it's painting, writing, or cooking. Finding an outlet for our creative impulses can be incredibly fulfilling. Allow yourself to explore new hobbies and unleash your imagination. You never know what hidden talents you might discover. Embracing empowerment. Embracing feminine energy empowers us to step into our authentic selves and embrace our unique qualities. It allows us to break free from social expectations and live life on our own terms. Balance. Balancing our masculine and feminine energies is essential for overall well-being. Sure, here's a script on the impact of feminine energy. Empowering lives and shaping the world. Feminine energy can bring about positive changes in our lives and the world around us. Let's explore the transformative power of feminine energy together. Self-acceptance and authenticity. Embracing feminine energy allows us to accept ourselves fully and authentically. It encourages us to celebrate our unique qualities and embrace our true selves. By embracing our femininity, we can cultivate self-confidence, self-love, and sense of empowerment. Building strong connections. Feminine energy emphasizes the importance of nurturing and compassion. When we tap into this energy, we foster deep and meaningful connections with others. It enables us to create supportive communities, build strong relationships, and uplift one another. Emotional intelligence. Feminine energy encourages us to connect with and understand our emotions. By embracing our emotions, we develop emotional intelligence, which allows us to navigate challenges, communicate effectively, and empathize with others. This emotional intelligence enhances our personal and professional relationships. Collaboration and cooperation. Feminine energy promotes collaboration and cooperation rather than competition. When we embrace our feminine energy, we create spaces where everyone's voices are heard and valued. This fosters teamwork, innovation, and the creation of inclusive environments. Compassionate leadership. Feminine energy brings empathy and compassion to leadership roles. By incorporating feminine energy into leadership styles, we can create positive change, inspire others, and prioritize the well-being of those we lead. It's about leading with kindness, understanding, and a commitment to justice. Social and environmental impact. Feminine energy inspires us to care for our communities and the planet. By embracing our feminine energy, we can advocate for social justice, environmental sustainability, and equal rights. And it empowers us to take action and make a difference in the world. In conclusion, embracing feminine energy has a profound impact on our lives and the world around us. It empowers us to be our authentic selves, build strong connections, and shape a more compassionate and inclusive world. So let's embrace our feminine energy and make a positive impact together. Remember, you are powerful, beautiful, and capable of creating change. Thank you. Bye bye.